ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਿਆਹ ਦੀ 25ਵੀਂ ਸਾਲਗਿਰਾ ਦੀ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਆ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਕਿ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੱਸਦੇ ਮੁਸਕਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਹੋ। ਰੱਬ बहुत बहुत खुशियां देवे।
गुरप्रीत जी, रवि जी, शादी की 25वीं सालगिरह की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। ईश्वर करे आप 50वीं सालगिरह भी मनाएं, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें।
गुरप्रीत और रवि भैया, आपको शादी की 25वीं सालगिरह बहुत 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 मुबारक हो। और सिमरन और सर्वेश के माँ पिता बनकर आप गर्वान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं। इसी तरह आगे भी ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन को भी आप देखें और अगली 50-75वीं सालगिरह भी मनाएं। ऐसे श्री गुरु के चरणों में हमारी प्रार्थना है। सत श्री अकाल, बाय।
Hi Gurpreet, hi Ruby, hi Ravi. Today you are celebrating 25 years of your married life. Silver Jubilee is very happy anniversary. When you look back to the 25 years you spent together, then you will be very happy and satisfied where you are today. 25 years of love, 25 years of affection, 25 years of care, 25 years of togetherness. आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. May you celebrate many more and I wish you all the very best. बहुत मुबारक हो Ruby and Ravi. Bye.
Hello Gurpreet and Ravi ji. Wishing you both 25 years of togetherness and love. 25 years have gone since both of you started walking side by side through good and difficult times. Again, we wish you both happy Silver Jubilee anniversary and all the best for the many more coming years. Happy anniversary!
25 years of togetherness are built on the solid foundation of commitment, compromise, love, and willingness to stand by each other through the thick and the thin. 25 years of married life is the proof of the fact that love exists. Dearest Gurpreet and Ravi ji, wish you a very happy silver wedding anniversary from both Umesh and me. God bless you with lots of happiness, peace, prosperity, and eternal love for each other, today and always. Cheers.
Gurpreet, hi Ravi. Wow, this is a big one, a special one. Wish you two a very happy 25th wedding anniversary. What can I say about you guys? It can take long. I will keep it short for now. I'm proud to be friends with you, and I'm lucky that you and your family are part of our life. I still remember the happiness and the smile on the face of little angel Khushi. That tells a lot about how good a human being you two are. The world needs more people like you. I wish I could do something similar. Ravi, you are very lucky to have our friend as your life partner. Having said that, you deserve a lot. Thanks for keeping our friend ever happy, ever young.
Hello Gurpreet, hello Ravi. Wish you very happy 25th anniversary. And you are special, SKS, you know what I mean. And all I can say is
SKS will get angry.
one of best SKS.
Okay, get your grammar right.
Okay, Jitin. Let me wish them first. Wish you very 25th happy anniversary. और आने वाले समय में आप ऐसे ही सदा खुश रहो और खुशियाँ लुटाते रहो। और मुझे मालूम है ऐसा ही होगा। और all I know is you are the best person I've ever met.
Party on you guys whenever we meet next.
Definitely.
And thanks Raj for allowing me to speak my mind for once.
Hi Ruby and Ravi, wish you very happy 25th marriage anniversary. लोग कहते हैं marriage is a made in heaven, but for all the practical purposes, the 25-year long marriage is made by the tireless effort you guys have put, and it's really commendable. My congratulations. best wishes. May Vaheguru bless you with all the happiness in this world. And the best part of growing old with the loved ones, you find beauty in the wrinkles and the grey hairs too. My best wishes and heartiest congratulations to you guys. Bye. See you.
Hi Ravi and Ruby, happy anniversary.
It takes a second to fall in love, but takes a lifetime to prove that your love is pure and true, and you both have done it. You both are just made for each other. God bless you both.
Happy anniversary.
Happy 25th anniversary.
Hi, Gurpreet and Raviji. First of all, I congratulate on your 25th wedding anniversary. This is your silver jubilee, and I hope your marriage always remains as shiny, reflective, and precious as silver. This is your celebration time, and relive your marriage. I would like to dedicate a song.
तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा, तुमसे मिलके अरमां हुए पूरे दिल के। तुमसे मिलके ऐसा लगा, तुमसे मिलके अरमां हुए पूरे दिल के। ऐ मेरी जाने वफा, मेरी 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 तेरी एक जान है। साथ तेरे रहेंगे सदा।
Hello, Ruby and Raviji. Lot of best wishes on your 25th marriage anniversary. On this great occasion, I will like to dedicate few lines to you. आज हजारों दुआओं की भीड़ में एक दुआ हमारी, जिसमें मांगी हमने हर खुशी तुम्हारी। रूबी एंड रवि जी, जिसमें मांगी हमने हर खुशी तुम्हारी। अगर आप मुस्कुराते हो दिल से तो समझेंगे दुआ कबूल हुई हमारी, दुआ कबूल हुई हमारी। I am quite confident there is a little bit smile on your face. Now I will further say on the behalf of our all batchmates and all our well-wishers, कदम कदम पर प्रीत की बहार मिले, कदम कदम पर प्रीत की बहार मिले, ता उम्र जिंदगी से प्यार मिले, ता उम्र जिंदगी से प्यार मिले। खिलते रहे तमन्ना फूलों की तरह, खिलते रहे तमन्ना फूलों की तरह। खुदा करे आपको हर खुशी बार बार मिले, हर खुशी बार बार मिले। Once again, lot of best wishes to both of you, and I am also thankful to Manisha and Anju Bhabhi for motivating us on this occasion and for compiling all the message. Goodbye, best of luck, bye bye.
रवि जी, आप दोनों को शादी की 25वीं सालगिरह पर बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। And I wish and pray to Almighty that you see many more happy years in future. Once again, wishing you a very happy 25th marriage anniversary.
Very happy 25th wedding anniversary.
From both of us, from Neetu and Itapur, God bless both of you.
You have lived 25 years of love, sacrifice, commitment and togetherness. Your anniversary may be silver, but your love is more precious than gold. Sending you our heartfelt wishes with joy and love that never ends. Bye and hope to see you.
Hi Gurpreet. Hello Ravi bhai. My heartiest congratulations on 25 years spent together. My prayer to Vaheguru to fill your life with love, laughter and happiness. Very few people have understanding and strength to stay together. You are an icon of inspiration and hope to those who are around you, as you are a wonderful pair.
wish you very happy 25th wedding anniversary.
प्रिय रूबी व रवि, आपके सफल वैवाहिक जीवन की 25 वर्ष पूर्ण होने के अवसर पर मैं आपको हार्दिक हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ। 25 वर्ष कर्तव्यों को पूर्ण करते हुए निकल जाते हैं और अब हमारा शुरू होता है एक स्वर्णिम सफ़र। अब तक शारीरिक आकर्षण व मानसिक तृष्णाएं, इसमें ही हमारा जीवन हम निर्वाह करते हैं और इसके आगे शुरू होता है आत्मीय संबंधों का सिलसिला। एक दूसरे को आत्मा से पहचानना, आत्मा का आत्मा में लीन हो जाना और हृदय के अंतरतम में प्रेम रूपी ईश्वर को जान लेना। रवि से ही रूबी की चमक है, रवि के तेज से रूबी की चमक है और रूबी के चमक से रवि के प्रेममयी तेज का आभास होता है। ये जो अंतर संबंध है, ये अंतर संबंध आपका बना रहे, जीवन प्रगतिशील, स्वास्थ्यप्रद और दीर्घायु हो, ये मेरी सद्गुरु के चरणों में प्रार्थना है। एक बार फिर मैं आपको बधाई देता हूँ। वाहे गुरु।
Ravi ji and may all your wishes come true. Your love multiplies coming years. Happiness knows no bonds. Once again, lakh badhaiyan from Mukesh and Manoj.
Ruby and Ravi ji, we wish you both a happy, peaceful, joyous 25th wedding anniversary. Stay blessed.
गुरप्रीत जी और रवि जी, आपको आपकी शादी की 25वीं सालगिरह की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। आज तक जैसे हंसते खेलते आपने ये 25 साल बिताए, वैसे ही मैं कामना करती हूँ कि आप आगे की ज़िंदगी भी ऐसे ही हंसते खेलते बिताएं और एक दूसरे का साथ देते रहें।
रवि जी और गुरप्रीत, आपको ये शुभ दिन मुबारक हो और ये आपके जीवन में खुशियों से भर दे।
Gurpreet, wish you both a very happy 25th wedding anniversary. Stay blessed.
And Ravi ji, a very happy 25th anniversary to both of you. May you both have many more happy and healthy
Wish you
such
a
days.
very, very happy 25th marriage anniversary to perfect loving couple, Ruby and Ravi. Ruby means precious stone, Ravi means Suraj. सूरज सालों साल ऐसा ही चमकता रहे और रूबी की शाइन।
Many happy returns of the day, Ruby and Ravi. May Babaji bless you, lot of happiness, many long years to come. Stay blessed. Good wishes for me and my family. Happy anniversary to you both. Thank you. See you.